So what is pivot and unpivoting? Today's topic. So what is that? Like suppose we are taking subcategory here in a region and suppose profit. So like this it's coming. But for this accessories, these regions are repeating here, right? But the repeating means whatever it's coming, it's coming wise, column wise, like column wise it's there. You don't want column wise, you want it central, east, south, west, like that you want. Like row wise it should be there. How subcategory column is there? It's this whatever the values having in the region, that should be come in a here header, not the row wise. So in that case, we do the pivot and unpivot. Okay. So right now for understanding, we'll take the small table. This table A. Suppose you want this Pune city should be shown as a header, not as a values in a column. Just we need to select that column and in transform there is pivot column and pivot column. And another way, just click on this column, right click. Here also it is pivot and pivot column. Here we what we can do, we can just unpivot it. It's already pivot, so it should be done now pivot. So just I will click on this. This pivot. Okay. Roll number 41, roll number we want you mean marks. Just so simple. Pune came into the header. Mumbai, Satara, Pune. And whatever the values they have, 40, 50, it would come as per the roll number name. Like that it would come. Okay. We will again show you.
You can undo and
Or
yeah.
yeah. So suppose for Pune is 10, Mumbai is 20, is just like that is there. But you want the header should be the city names. In instead of here, you do column here. And what you want, marks you want, or whatever the columns you want, you need to select. Yes, sir. You see, for Pune it's coming 10, Mumbai 20, like that. But when we will use this, if I want to do some unpivot and pivoting for 2 or 3 columns, that time what we'll do, we'll get this column.
You can speak little bit louder. They are unable to hear.
Okay. It's now can you hear?
No, sir. Your voice is really low. I can hear Nitin and Anjali loud and clear, but I don't know if you're using headphone or system system mic. We can't hear you. It's low and it's not clear as well.
Now can you hear me?
It's a
Hello.
little bit better, but it would be great if you speak more loud enough.
Okay. Okay. See, so when we'll start this, like we'll duplicate this column. Okay. Duplicate or reference, whatever is there. Not on a master table, we will do this unpivot. Table one is table one. Then we will select this and do the pivot column. Select marks or roll number, whatever you want. Then we will do. Okay, this way we can do pivot and unpivot. And again, if you want, select all the columns, unpivot columns. See, this came here again. Whatever you have done the pivots, it again shows in a. If you do unpivot, it goes to back to the. It's whatever the earlier stage it was. And then the pivot and unpivot we are used to show in the visuals. But most of the times this visuals is done in tables or in matrix using the hierarchies. Okay. Let's see. So here's some of region we have taken. Let's take a matrix this time. See, in matrix it's already showing central, east, south, west, like that. Why? Because in matrix we can show columns as well as the rows. See, in the rows, accessories are there, and in the region, columns are there, right? So instead of doing transformation there, here matrix are already present. So we can do like this, right? Control Z. So this is the table. We'll do same, copy, and do as a matrix. See, now you can do. Then here you want to show central region wise. What is region wise is there? Suppose segment wise you want to see. What we can do? Okay. Here region, we can update a segment. Okay. And last week, as we seen, we can go to drill down. This button is there. We can go boom, just drill down. See, corporates home office is there. If you go up, it shows region wise profit. Go down corporate wise. But what we want is central is coming in which segment. Like that, we need to see. So here is again one more is there. One level hierarchy down. Expand all this. Expand all the categories whatever taken like region and segment we have taken. Just going to click here. So see central, consumer, corporate, home office. Then it will show east. For east also it will show three. Then for south it will show like this. Then west it show come like this. Home office like this it will show. Okay. So it's expand all the category wise. Here we have taken first is subcategory region and then segment is taken. If we do vice versa, then it will go on. See, consumer have this much region, corporate this much region, and this is the profit. Okay, and this much is a home office. Like that, we can do instead of doing pivot and unpivot, we can use this one. So we will go and transform there. Then you need to specifically select that column. Then only we can create that pivot and unpivot. So instead of that, we have this inbuilt features and like this is mostly used for the financial reportings. Like they have year, then quarter, month like that we can give, and they want to see year-wise comparison of the products. So for this product, how many region was there, how many customer was there, like that. So this matrix is taken at that time. It is taken. So earlier, this for this we need to create pivots and all hierarchy and all also. But instead of creating the hierarchy also, we can if drag this column segment here, we can showcase. And in this, in accessories, in rows, if you want shift mode, then also it can be shown. See, first class, same class. Go to up, see, first class, like it can be shown. Okay, any doubt on this? Pivot and pivot. Hello. Okay, no issues. So if you guys any practice this, and if you have any concerns, okay, we will discuss it that, right? Kulbhushan, Nitin, Anjali, any doubt?
No comment.
Sorry?
No doubt for me.
Oh, so then there's custom visuals and the gate chart. Gate chart is this one. Gate chart has discussed like Anjali or Sangeeta has used this. Why we are used? Like this is usually for the targets. Like you have targets to complete for a call center. Suppose they have target of 100 calls every day. But how much she or he has completed out of that 100 he has completed 90 calls. So like that it will show in gauge chart. So let's suppose we'll take some sales. See, 0 to 2 is there. Maximum 5. The sales should be done 5 million, but it is in only 2 millions only. So it has a concern. Why is not there? Then they find the reason. What is the why the sale was not up to that? Okay. Then we'll take the subcategory. Then you just click OK. 54 K was the target, but only 27 is done. Accessories. Oh, like it, it's gate chart works. Bookmarks, chairs, and suppose phones, half only. This is the gate chart. We need to check whether we have achieved the target or we have not achieved the target. For that, the gate chart is used. Okay. After gate chart, there are suppose all these are there. All charts are there, but we want some different charts which are not present in this visuals in Power BI by default. Whatever is there by default, this is the by default charts are present in Power BI. But apart from this, some visuals are present in Microsoft Community, Power BI Community, where we can export. From there, we can get the visuals into Power BI. So for that, what we can do, your three dots are there, right? It shows get more visuals. We to just click on that visuals. This, for example, I've taken this tree. So it is not there, whatever tree what I. So what will do? I take this. And here it's required parent ID, then ID like that it's required. For some purpose I've taken for one of my projects. So there should be hierarchies there, like for the HR data, there are employee names, and for other column is the manager. But employees is also someone's manager is there. For that, this chart I have taken for my use. What we can do? Oh, sorry. I need to click on here. Get more visuals. Okay. So click on yes. I'll stop sharing. Just I will because it's my you can share my screen right now. Hello.
Yes.
When you click on this dot, get more visuals. So it will go to the these types of charts are available. Okay. Multi-chart dynamic buttons or histogram charts, heat map, whatever you want, you can search here. So now I want some buttons, dynamic buttons I want. Yeah, here is the buttons. Then I want pivot is the not pivot is the organization chart. I need I need this organization chart to show the who is the CEO, then who reports to CEO, then under the organization how is there. You just click on that any of the chart, add. Okay, it will get added. One more thing to their custom visuals. There's also an interview questions. Okay, so they use ask you what custom charts you are used in your projects. That time you can say I use this charts. See here, can you see this tick mark, blue tick mark? This that is known as this. Microsoft is approved this chart, so that's the reason it's having a blue tick mark. Okay, see this is not tick mark. This is passed or this approved by the Microsoft. This is not my of approved. See, this is imported. See, can you see the
This
visual
all app,
successfully imported?
this all app will be supporting to the Power BI, right?
Sorry.
This all app which you are showing, it will be supporting to
Hmm.
the Power BI, right?
Yes, yes. App. It's a visual, not an app.
Yeah,
So it will be
that visuals will
supporting.
be
It's
supporting to the Power BI. In case
yeah,
if
yeah. But
data is available in that visuals, then it will be converted into Power BI.
yes. So
Okay.
this visual we to take and whatever here is the ID, parent ID we require, we can create. Okay. For that we need to import visuals from the Microsoft community or from the Microsoft website
Okay.
because it's by default it's not having. So see this by default shows here and whatever we have imported it shows here pre hierarchy chart by MX QA software like that. Okay, this is a custom visuals which we can import to make a more interactive dashboard. So like some is not present. So we are importing this from the Microsoft community or we can see the website. It's all linked. Like Microsoft is a full of package. So if we take the Microsoft this Office kit, so in that Excel, Word, everything comes PowerPoint, then we can download Power BI as well from there. Okay. Any questions?
No questions.
Okay. So like as we discussed on
No,
Friday.
one thing here, if my
Mhm.
data is in one format where that format is not unable to upload in the Power BI, then is
Mhm.
there any way to convert it into Power BI, like transform the data into Power BI? For example,
Yeah.
the Excel is there, we can convert it into Power BI, transform the
Yes.
data into Power BI
Mhm.
because it
So
supports to Power BI.
yeah, it supports see whatever the data should be there. So first, for a data cleaning, we should do. We need to do the transformation, and data should come in a tabular manner. So
Okay,
it's a basic thumb rule. Like if you're taking doing the report, so that should be in a tabular form only.
okay,
Otherwise, you need to do means too much pivot and pivot. Like that
yeah,
you need to do.
yeah,
So it takes much time and it is a time consuming. If your data is not in a proper order, then you need to work more on the transformation, then pivots and pivot transformation everything. So while maintaining in the data in Excel or any of the data source, so they maintain in a proper way, like employee ID. It's a unique. That's the reason there are constraints in SQL, right?
yeah.
Like you, the primary should be unique, not duplicate. Then there
Hmm.
should be name. It should be text only. So while updating this all data if suppose in name column I am updating my mobile number, so it will not take. Why? Because
It will not.
we are given the constraints there. It should be a numeric, it should be alpha, not a numerical one.
It is in
So
the
this
second.
is, yeah, so this is all the taken care by the backend team. So, but we should also know about the knowledge which column should be there, which column should be not. So in Power BI, we have that feature to change the data type in Power BI. Okay. Then what is the next is like what I said, publishing report to Power, creating Power BI templates. Okay. Mhm. Template means what? Anyone knows template? This question mostly for Nitin I will ask. What is template, Nitin?
What one?
What is template?
Template.
Hmm.
Template is in the standard form, right?
Yes, right. So suppose some of the organization by required taking the inputs or gathering requirements from different uh, departments or the domains. Like suppose Kulbhushan is a Power BI developer and he want to generate a report for different divisions or the verticals. So in real time, or what happens now, there is many ways. Like we can send Google Forms, we can share the links, we can do the Power Automate, we can take the data from the automate. But earlier, what happening? So when I asked you all to share the data with me, so what will you do? You will take employee ID, your process name, then whatever the count, whatever the process you are doing, like numerical values, count or the audit, whatever thing, you will create your own take or header names. You will maintain data and share with me. Again, will Nitin will be do same. He will maintain his own data and he will provide to me. Like 15 to 20 columns you will share with me, which is not required for me. Only 5 to 10 columns which is required. So after analyzing your all data, I will create one format or format or in case of template, and that I will share you. So don't want unnecessary data. You can keep for your record, but for my record, only out of 20 columns, I required 5 columns from your data. So I will share that template with you. So in Power BI also, we create a theme or we create a template where all report will be sync or aligned to that theme only. For example, here are many themes are there. So or every organization, but not every we can say, but big organization, they create their own fonts, they create their own colors. So they have their own background colors and everything, customized colors we can say. So like that, suppose this we have taken as a background, or if not, we can go and do the wallpaper. We'll take some this color, not this color. We'll take
But
blue
we
color.
can't see.
Sorry,
Um, we can just see Excel file if that is what.
Excel file. Just
Sorry,
I will share
Word
again.
file, Word file.
Power BI you can see.
Yeah, now we can see.
Okay. What we can do is we can go create wallpaper, color, more colors. Click on this, whatever you want. You can give a background. Okay, you are correct. And this color, this code you will collect and just here. What we can do? Background color. Okay, this is our background color. Like this, you will create one document for a template. Then suppose you will take some shape for the text box. Okay, the text box. Text box color field, what you will take effect. Background should be this. Whatever the customer says, no, that we want this background, we want that background. Like that. Suppose we have given this color. Again, you go more colors. Take this color. Then, like this document we create and we share with our team members who are doing reports. Like this will be our template. And here, if you want, what you want here, just do wallpaper. What is the color of wallpaper? You will go change color. We will take this, but sometimes it's differ the color. Instead of doing this, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, okay, instead of going there, we just we need to take this color code, go to this color, more color, remove this and update. Okay, it will take that color only. There will be no difference. Same way, then you will go to the text button here. You will go effects. Go here. Like this. More colors. This is whatever. Copy. Same colors applied here. So if you're taking the same, this suppose you are create some views here. This will take 21. Some this one. Okay. And again you want to create same this template in the next page. So what you can do before generating any views here, creating any views, just control, oh sorry, right click on this and duplicate. The page will be get duplicate before the visuals. So this is your one template is created in the same report, but the same template and same is whatever the color we have defined should be another in the next file. Like for example, suppose I have this file I have. So how we can go? Here we cannot make a duplicate. Here we cannot move that file. In how Excel we can move one from no that. For that purpose, we are maintaining this data. Background color, header color. We will come here, go to the page, panel, color. See, got it? For that, we need to maintain this data, share with the end user or client, take the consent, and we are using this template. So like that, if they are not providing any template, this color coding everything, we can create two or more themes and we can showcase them and let them know that so if you have any color, you can provide us. Otherwise, we have created these themes for you of templates for you. Select any one this. If you don't like, please suggest what color we should want. Okay. Any questions?
Sir, can we store this template in Power BI itself?
Yes, we can store. So see what I told. If you are creating any visuals here, you can just take a duplicate in the same report. But you want to share, like you are working on this W to W file, and another your friend is working on W to W version 2 file. That
Okay.
time, this you need to share this details, background color, head color, then what is the text size, text font, like
No,
it
sir.
should
Instead
be
of creating this whole sharing this whole data, can we share this duplicate already created duplicate of page 35?
no, we
Like
cannot share this with like in Excel, how we can move and all. Like that we cannot do. So we need to provide that codes. That is what I'm saying. This is the one thing you can apply. And another thing, modeling on, yeah. In here, you need to do some codings. So if you are good in codings, you know all such things. So you can go and customize your current theme, whatever you want, like name and colors. This color you want, text how you want. I want Arial, general title. What do I want? I want Arial. Size this one. Type size to be 15. Cars and KPI 45. Tableau and page usual color should be was this one. Pages color like this. Filter panel. This is unit and just you need to apply. See, it's applied to all page. Can you see? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hmm? Like this is applied. So here that customization, whatever you have done, we have customized this. So it will apply to all the pages. Again, we can go customize current theme. Visuals of pages. This we have taken, right? We will take, suppose blue will take, right? I will just take blue. Apply. Apply. See? Very nice. This theme we can do. Another is JSON file we need to take. Customize. Save current theme. Desktop I will select and save. Okay, you can go to desktop. Theme. See. Name, data colors, these codes are generated. These are the JSON files. Here you need to whatever the codes how we are maintained here, no? Here, this background color. We need to then find where is the background color in this. See background light. Then background neutral. Like this, you need to change. You need to change the codes here. Then again, we need to go to Power BI. You know, browse for themes. Sometimes this JSON file is provided by the client as well. Okay, go and just select and open. So themes gets uploaded. You have changed the table to file successfully added. This is the customer. Same as the so it's not showing. Like that you can do. Okay. These are the templates in Power BI you can create with the help of JSON files. With the help of these themes, you can customize in Power BI as well, or you can upload JSON file after doing the codings and all. And you can maintain this color code. You can get from the clients or you can create your own and share with them. Okay. Any questions on this?
Not
Hello.
from my side.
Okay. So, have you done the assignments? Because we have covered first these topics. Now, yes. What was our assignment? Kulbhushan, you have done? And Geeta? Or
Sir,
not Sanjani?
hello,
Hmm. Yes.
hello.
Hello.
Sir, visuals you told me, sir.
Hmm.
On that day we did no, sir.
Yeah.
You gave
But
me some feedbacks.
yeah, after